Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to delve into the intricate world of sampling procedures and techniques as outlined in ISO 17025, the international standard for testing and calibration laboratories. Introduction to sampling in ISO 17025. Sampling, the process of selecting a representative portion of our population or material for analysis, is a fundamental aspect of laboratory testing and calibration. ISO 17025 plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality and reliability of sampling procedures within accredited laboratories. Concepts and definitions. Before we dive deeper, let's clarify some key concepts. Sampling, the process of selecting a representative portion of a population. Sample, the portion of material selected for analysis. Population, the entire group or collection of items or individuals under consideration. General requirements for sampling in ISO 17025. ISO 17025 outlines several general requirements for sampling, including compliance with relevant standards, documenting sampling plans and procedures, ensuring personnel competence, and maintaining traceability and calibration of sampling equipment. Sampling planning and design. Sampling planning and design involve determining objectives, defining population characteristics, selecting appropriate sampling techniques, calculating sample size, and designing sampling plans to ensure representativeness and reliability. Types of sampling techniques. There are various sampling techniques including random sampling, stratified sampling, systematic sampling, cluster sampling, convinced sampling, judgmental sampling. Each technique has its advantages and is selected based on the specific characteristics of the population under study. Sampling procedures in ISO 17025. Now, let's break down the sampling procedures as per ISO 17025. Preparation phase. Defining objectives, establishing locations, identifying equipment. Execution phase. Implementing techniques, recording details, ensuring proper handling. Documentation phase. Documenting procedures, maintaining chain of custody, reporting deviations. Quality assurance and control. Quality assurance and control are paramount in sampling. This involves implementing QC measures, monitoring procedures, implementing corrective actions, and continually improving sampling process. Validation and verification. Validation and verification of sampling procedures are essential to ensure accuracy and reliability. This includes validation techniques through pilot studies, verifying results, and assessing uncertainty. Training and competence. Training and competence of sampling personnel are critical. It involves providing training, evaluating competence, and ensuring continuous professional development. In conclusion, adhering to ISO 17025 standards in sampling procedures is crucial for laboratories to produce reliable and accurate test and calibration results. Continuous improvement and adherence to best practices are key to ensuring quality in sampling processes. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of sampling procedure and techniques in ISO 17025. Remember, in the world of testing and calibration, precision starts with the sample. If you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.